Hey friends, if you wish to update and clear TPM on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So, press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command tpm.msc and hit enter. Now, in the right pane, select clear TPM and then you'll have to click on restart, which will clear the TPM. Okay. And as for updating it, it usually updates itself automatically. We can check the version here, and the best you can do in this case is simply click on refresh and it will show the latest status. But here's one more thing: you have to install the security updates too, because that's also part of updating the TPM. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side, click on check for updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.